3, isn't it? Yeah, it's right on 3, and that's right on 1. Bum, bum, 3, 1. Yeah, exactly. It
even
looks,
though there's a rest?
even if there's a rest, because that's an 8th note and an 8th rest, that 8th note still lands right on beat
It's
3.
like a quarter note.
It's written funny, but it's actually much simpler than it looks.
Okay.
Start at 101. 101. 1, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3, 1. That's exactly it. That's right.
Big cutoff.
Big cutoff. She is going to stop there. Is that right?
So when I do my audition, do I just need to sit?
Just
And then
freeze
go?
and then freeze. Pick up your bow and go right on.
Okay.
Make the pause as brief as possible. You won't be able to do it on time, but you can make it really, really small. Start at 108. 1 and ready and. Does that rhythm remind you of something?
Right there.
That thing? Yeah. It's the same thing, just slowed down a lot and with different notes. Then you play.
That's it.
That's it for this one? Oh, yes it is, yeah.
We have more in
Yes, you do.
King Tut.
Tut.
Can we
Wait,
practice?
is that all?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
The ending's basically the beginning, that's why.
Yeah.
And all we did here are long notes.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, Tut.
I can tell you what I need to practice.
Well, that too measures, because I saw you roll your eyes when. Oh no, man, really? Yes, really.
I was okay with just this one in the end.
Oh yeah, but no.
That's my least favorite part of this song.
It says bring out. Yeah, that's a
What?
pretty important part. Bring out.
Oh.
It says mezzo piano, but they really want that pushed to the front, so you do that. 1, 2, very slowly. Ready? And. Start right on 9. Dee-dum, dee-dum. Slower. Ready? And go. And. You're holding on to the first one too long. It's an 8th note. Dee-dum. Yeah, it's just like all the other 8th notes. 9 and 10 again, please. Ready? And go. And. That's right. That's right. Softer. You're doing a good job with that. Right, exactly. Exactly. So, does that make sense now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. D, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and yeah. D, 1 and yeah. It's written funny, and again, it's one of those things that's simpler than it looks. It looks complicated. It's really not.
Mm-hmm.
Let's play.
Why didn't they just do, since that's, like in band, when we write that, we would put the counts in as 1 up 2 in parentheses? Like if it was at the beginning of the measure.
Okay.
That would be 1. Right here would be 1.
Yes.
That would be up 2 up. and then that would be 3, 4.
That's true.
Right.
Yes.
So why didn't they just put like the rest of that measure as
As a
a
what?
dotted whole note? I mean dotted quarter, dotted half
A
note.
dot and half note?
Mhm.
It wouldn't be enough counts.
Oh, okay.
Because that's only an eighth note.
Right.
If that were a dot and half note, you would be 1/8 note short, wouldn't you?
Okay, I see now. They had to make it the whole measure.
I'll play your game here for a second. Here's what they might have done. They might have written this.
That was complicated.
1 and 2, 3, 4. You still got your eighth note, right? And it's tied over. They could have done that.
That looks easier though.
This looks easier?
To me it does.
Maybe so. That's probably why they did it. There's also a thing that's kind of a musical shorthand, and people who write music, some of them adhere to it and some of them don't. They call it the invisible bar line. Some people say you're not supposed to tie anything. Long notes should not be tied across the middle of the measure. It makes reading confusing, is what they think. Truth is, they can write anything they want, and if it's mathematically accurate, they can expect you to play it. But there are some musical shorthand things that some people adhere to, and others don't. Others just break the rules, break all the rules. Now, yeah, let's do this syncopation. The arco right there. Bum 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 bum. You got it. 1, 2, ready.
Wait.
That's right. And we still don't know the correct bowing. Is that right?
No.
Okay.
Because the week we did it, I don't think she was. Well, maybe she was. I don't know. I might have forgotten.
I wish you knew what the bowing was, because there's a couple of good ways to do it. There's a couple of ways that would work better than anything else. And I don't know which one she prefers. You played the rhythm correctly just now.
Will she be able to tell which way my bow went?
Short answer, yes.
How?
The bow makes a different sound. Everybody thinks I'm crazy when I say that. Yeah, I can tell. Listening to tapes, I got a snare drum over there that snares around. I can tell. After years and years of I can listen to the tapes and I can tell if a kid gets, and listening to my audition tapes, if a kid gets upside down and going the wrong way, I can hear it.
And you take off points?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No, I don't. However, if it leads them to not slur something, or if it leads them to like miss a down bow or something like that, then I can take off points for that. But no, generally I don't. But yeah, can I tell the difference? Yeah, I'm not bragging. It's not bragging. It's just, yeah, I can tell.
How many years did it take you?